one of the best accessories you can get with a 12, hands down, is this right here. This is the Max Lens 2.0. Now, most of these accessories that I'm going to share with you today will work on all of the cameras, but the Max Lens 2.0 is specifically designed for the 12. And what this is, it's a lens on here. You heard the clap. There we go. That's good. This lens is busted a little bit. I did drop it, so you might see a little bit of a scuff mark on there, right there. And it does show up in the footage, which is really annoying. So I probably need to get another one soon. But it pops on your GoPro like so. You got the 2.0 on there. And to break that down, what that does is it just uses that lens to pick up a super wide field of view, and then it uses the software, and it can crop in so it's not distorted or anything like that, and it keeps like the horizon leveled. And the big improvement with the 2.0 over the other ones with their Max Lens 1.0 is that you can get 4K 60 frames per second, where the other ones you would have to go to 2K 60 frames per second. So it's a big jump in quality on the 12 with that, and it just looks a lot better, and it's magic. If you've ever played around with the Max Lens Mod, you wouldn't believe it when you watch your footage back. So first time I ever used the Max Lens Mod, I had it on a scooter, and I hit like cobblestones, and I looked back, it was like this, right? It was like that. And I was like, oh, that's going to be terrible. And then I played it back, and it was like smooth. I was like, wait, how is that possible? It literally takes all of that information and it stabilizes it like perfectly. If you had it like on a tripod, on a selfie stick, and you spun it around this way, if you did a flip or something, it will keep the horizon locked, and it will like look really cool. So the only thing it doesn't do is get rid of the selfie stick, which would be epic if they were able to do that. Maybe that's for the next versions that are coming out. But definitely check out if you get the 12, you got to get the 2.0 Max Lens Mod. If you get the 10, you got to get the Max Lens 1.0. It's still worth getting it. Even at 2K, it looks awesome, and Ken agrees. It's magic. It's magic.
Now